You are watching Shayna-Renee.
And I'm back. Welcome or welcome back to another episode of my series, Just Add Style. It's a series where I inspire you to just add style to your outfits. As simple as it is to say, it's as simple to do. Get on with this episode. Today's look is going to be off of the dome, very chaotic because I literally am about to be late and I have to hurry up and get dressed. With this outfit, I'm styling in the moment, so if it's a little chaotic, my apologies. I have to go to this networking event. The invitation said NYC, think streetwear, New York City meets editorial, stylish, chic, elegant, things like that. I have an outfit in mind. Like I have the pants I want to wear and then like two objects that I'm just going to probably throw together and see if it works. I don't know, but that's the only thing that I'm going to try to throw on. So we're going to style this together in real time. So let's get it. These are the pants. These are how they look. I absolutely love them. It cinches me in the right place and it just looks fire. These are the three options I was thinking about wearing with it. It's actually looking like a bunch of nothing, which it is, but we're going to make it work. This blue thing is from my mother. I stole it from her. I don't know what it is, but I was like, I'm going to use this for something. Then I have a tulle skirt here. And then last but not least, this is like an oversized dress that I got from the thrift store. I knew it would come in handy and I hope it comes in handy now. I'm going to tell you what I was thinking. I don't have a top in mind yet, but it is okay. So I was thinking about doing something like this. I was like, this could be cool. Maybe turn it to the side, but I'm not fully inspired by it. And then I'm like, something like this could be kind of cool, right? Yeah. Honestly, yeah. I'm like, honestly, I like this shirt that I have with it. So maybe if I wear the shirt and then do something with this, and then maybe I could do. I'm looking in the mirror, so that's what I'm looking at. Something like this could be cool under the boob, but I know it's not gonna stay. So maybe we could do this and like something like this. Hold on, give me a second. I mean, something like this could be kind of cool, but I don't have time. Oh, this is cute. I'm looking in the mirror, but I don't really have time to make this work. So maybe not this. Maybe if I do, oh, I got an idea. Hold on. One thing I can say about myself is I have an idea and I'm going to have another idea in the midst of having that first idea and get excited and then change course. And you're going to see that happen in this video. Just ideas coming back to back to back. And you see this in real time with me thinking. I'm usually having a video that's somewhat already planned, or I cut out a lot of the thinking process of me putting together an outfit, but I'm going to be adding a lot of those moments back in my videos. Okay, this looks crazy right now, but what if I did something like a puffy top like this? And I even like the way the white of this shirt is showing. So I'm thinking I could definitely bust a puffy top and then somehow maybe have a little bit of this out. That might be cute. Or hold on. Okay, no. In my head, something like this would have been cute, but I feel like it's like you trying too hard, you doing too much. At least not for this event. As I'm editing this video a year later, I think I like it. Maybe a different bottom or something. But I think I'm going to revisit this look in the future, maybe sometime soon. And then we're going to get it together and see if we can make it work. I would need more time to figure this out. But something like this will be fire. So come back another time. Because I really like this look. But honestly, I could do this and I would eat with a nice little, oh, maybe a tie. Maybe a tie. I could do this with a tie. What does the back look like? I would have to really fix it in the back. Adding this dress, if I was to add it like this to the back, I was thinking it would look cute, but I feel like no. For this event, I don't think it's gonna work, and I don't have time to make this work in a short amount of time. I need to leave probably in like 10 minutes, so My hair, I don't even like my hairstyle, but I have to leave it or put on a hat. But it is okay. But I'm kind of liking this with this. This has to go. I feel like whatever I do with the shoes and accessories will make it look cute. But let me go get the tie. I'm not mad at it. This kind of could be cute. I might have to do this. Or let me see how it looks inside. Maybe. What do y'all think? Y'all like it? Does it look cute? I think it looks cute, but you know what? Let me see how it look if I added a collar shirt. Hold on. This is the shirt that I think I want to add just to see if it gives a little pop. I kind of really like this down chill vibe, but let's see what happens with this. Okay, I think I could fix it a little bit better off camera when I'm not in a rush, which I already am. But what do y'all think? Just to let y'all know, I'm going to make this look a little bit more polished. I'm just trying to run through it real quick to see if I like this, because if not, I'm gonna try another option. And I don't want to set it and then I have to take it all out and do it again. Honestly, and I think I'm just gonna leave my hair like this. I'm probably gonna put this in a bun because I don't have time. I'm just gonna try one other option, I think, for a top. And then between this one and something else, I'm gonna put on shoes and gotta go. That's just gonna be that. This, I think I would like the white top better than the black top, because the black would be a different color, darker color than this. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna try a different top. Let me see without. Y'all see the dilemma I'm having? Look at this. This still looks cute too. Give me a second. I'll be right back. So I have this now, and I'm thinking about possibly still leaving on the shirt because I like it, and then maybe putting this like a top like this. Probably. Ooh. I'm probably thinking about pinning it like this to this white shirt, and I think it would look cute. I'm gonna see what it looks like without the tie, and then I'm gonna try it with the top that I had before to see if I kind of like it, because one of these two top options that's not really a top has to work, because this is all I have in my head right now and I really gotta go. I'll scream in the comments what y'all thinking about, what y'all like, but let me work. Give me a second. Honestly, I think I'm liking this one better and it's easier to do, so I think I'm gonna go with this one, and that's gonna be that. The crazy thing is I don't have these color shoes, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with the bottom half, but we gonna figure it out and make it fashionable. So I'm gonna keep going. I have no specific way of pinning these pins on my shirt. I'm just seeing what makes sense and how to still keep the fabric looking fluffy and not looking ugly, I guess you could say. So if you decide to do something like this, don't think you have to have a specific way of doing it. Just do it where the pins won't really show, and then it just doesn't look sloppy like a nasty little DIY project, because it's not. It's a cute creation, okay? Make it a cute creation. I definitely need a little more pins to hold it up, but I'm going to keep this. I like it. What do I think? Let's see how it looks with the tie. The tie's making it look like it's doing too much, so I'm gonna try it with the top and see. Oh snap. I have to put this on the inside. How am I gonna do this? I already pinned it to the top, so now it's harder for me to figure out if the shirt looks good. But I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure it out. Being that I pinned the top already, it's gonna be hard to figure this out, but we gonna see, because I might not even want it. So we just gonna wait and see what happens. Okay. I don't. I kind of like the top with it. I think. I don't know. I might have to call for some reinforcements. All right, y'all. I'm gonna have to call for a reinforcement. I'm gonna have to ask my mom what she think real quick. Come on, pick up, pick up, pick up. Okay, she's not picking up, so I'm gonna figure it out myself. I think if I figure out what I'm doing for the shoes, then I would know if this is going to work or not. Dang, I really wish I had this tie in another color, because that would be fire. But anyway, shoes. I have a few options of shoes that I think I'm gonna try to use. Hopefully I don't have to go pick out other shoes, because I just want something to work fast. Yeah, no, these shoes don't work. It just too much. It throws it off. I'm thinking of doing some random denim, and it might look cute, but probably not. Honestly, this option doesn't look that bad. It's not my favorite, but it's looking like I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to end up using these. These might be a cute option. Dang, I don't think so. I was hoping that these would look super cute with it, but I don't really like it. If I had a bag that was the color of the shoes, I think I would be more open to wearing it, but I don't think when I wore these last time, what bag did I have? I don't know. Yeah, no. I already know I'm not gonna like these black shoes. Honestly, the black shoes actually go with it, but I don't. I feel like it's too basic with the black. I don't know. So I think, all right, I'm going to keep this. I'm gonna fix it a little better. I'm going to either do the black or the blue. I'm gonna probably throw on maybe some accessories, maybe change this out. Yeah, I'm gonna be late, so I'm gonna come back with the full outfit complete, maybe add some earrings and stuff like that. So it's either these shoes or the other shoes because I really don't have time to go and pick anything else. I'm gonna add a bag and I'm gonna get out because I really have to go and it's getting hot in here. And as you see, I literally am just adding style to this outfit as I go. And it would be so much more thorough if I wasn't in a rush, but I still wanted to put out this video. So not the pieces falling off. Ooh. Anyway, I'll be back with the finished outfit. Okay, so I completely switched some things around and this is what I came up with so far. Not even so far. This is basically it. I'm really going back and forth about these leggings. I mean, these leg warmers at the bottom. I don't know if these leg warmers kind of go with it or if it throws it off. I might put it over like this or I could have it like this. And I switch out the tie because it was doing too much. And this is like one chain that I added two pendants on from at the sides. I'm going with these earrings because these are the only earrings that I saw that I'm like, you know what? It gives the elegant vibe. And for bag, I still don't know what I want to wear. Can go with this one, but I feel like with the leg warmers, it's throwing it off a little bit. And then I have my microphone went mute. My apologies. This was another bag that I can go with because it ties in the darkness of the leg warmers. It lets the ashiness of the pants stand out on its own. And it does still get that streetwear vibe. I think this was a good choice to try to go with. I'm still going to finish the video off with doing a voiceover. I was choosing a bunch of glasses that I think might work for the black pair. I felt that it was a little too dark and mysterious, and I'm going to be meeting people and want to speak to them face to face. So if I have on something like these glasses, which is a lighter pair, it would be better because I can still see people and I can talk to people face to face without having to necessarily take off my glasses. Of course, I went with the glasses that you can see through, and this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you guys loved it. And this is how it looks with my outer layer on. I think it came together pretty well, if I do say so myself. All I did was just add style and a lot of it, and I made something out of nothing. If you love this video, please continue to watch, subscribe, show some love, share this video, like this video, do all of the good things for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later.